Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the class on investment management. So we'll continue our discussion on the duration and convexity. Yesterday, I have started discussing the theory part about what is duration, what is convexity. In duration, we have about two kinds of duration: macular duration and modified duration. You can see in exam, you got a theory question about what is the duration of the bond, came for 2 marks. So you can see that. So duration is something which you should be aware about. Going further, let's do a numerical on duration. You can see this numerical which came for 8 marks. So we'll do the numerical. Yesterday already I have discussed the formula for duration for you. This numerical came for 8 marks for you. So you need to calculate the duration of the bond. So whenever they're asking you calculate the duration, try to calculate both Macaulay and modified. Logically, in the question paper, they should mention uh, like uh, like you need to calculate Macaulay or modified. If they ask you modified, then by default you have to find the Macaulay, because without a Macaulay you cannot find the modified duration. But even then, if since it is not mentioned clearly, so we'll do both the calculation. We'll do the calculation of Macaulay, do the calculation for the modified duration. So if you see in this problem, the coupon rate is given 12%. You can see in this problem coupon rate is given 12%. So the coupon rate is 12%. Coupon rate is 12%. You can see in this problem. Year to maturity. So the year life of the bond is 6 years. The year to maturity is 6 years, and the current market price is given to you, that is equal to 110 rupees. The okay, and the face value is 100 rupees, and the face value is 100 rupees. So the face value is 100 rupees, and they have not given the YTM, so they're asking us like use the approximate YTM, they're telling you. So you can find the YTM also if required. You can do trial error method to find the YTM. So you can understand one part, that you can see that since the price is more than the face value here, since the price is more than the face value here, it means that the coupon percentage, that would be more than the YTM percentage. So it means the value of the YTM what you will get, that will be less than 12%. So you need to understand that. Okay, then you can find the YTM by step, that trial error method, that only, or that what already I have taught you that part. But if you use like that way, then you will take a lot of your time. They are mentioned in the problem to use approximate YTM. So we'll use that same formula for approximate YTM. So what is the formula for approximate YTM? Already you have studied all this in your second semester. So the approximate YTM, if I ask you, this already you have studied this in your second semester when you're studying the chapter called cost of capital. So there definitely would have done this. So when you talk about approximate YTM, the formula for the approximate YTM is interest. Interest means coupon plus 1 by n, uh, face value minus price divide by face value plus price divide by 2. This is a shortcut formula to find the YTM. Okay, so the interest means coupon. So you know that coupon is always calculated on face value. So what is the value of the coupon? Coupon means 12% of 100. So the your coupon would be equal to 12 rupees. Okay, so here your coupon is equal to 12 rupees. 1 by n, life is I think is 6 year. Okay, yeah, 6 year. Then face value, so 6 year face value is 100. Price of the bond is 112. If I think 112, price 110, not 112. 110 is the price. So 110 is the price, divide by 110 plus 100 divide by 2. So use this calculation. So this is 12 plus minus 10 by 6 divide by 105. Okay, so this will give you 12 minus 5 by 3 divide by 105. So I can say 36, 31 by 315, 31 by 315, 31 by 315. If I calculate in percentage, if I calculate in percentage, so what is the value of YTM? If I calculate in percentage, that is 31 by 315 into 100. So that will come approximately 10%. Will come approximately 10% because 300, this is like 3100 divided by 315. Okay, you can use calculator if you want for that. So that is 3100 divided by 315, 9.84. That is approximately 10%. So this is approximately 10%. So you got the YTM value. Once you get the YTM, now we'll find the duration. Once you get the YTM, we'll find the duration. The calculation of, so now the calculation of Macular duration. Now the calculation of Macular duration. So you can write year on year basis. Total 6 years, no? 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6. So what is the future value of cash flow? What is the future value of cash flow? So the future value of cash flow, you can write them. So the future value of cash flow, coupon is how much? 12 rupees for the 6 year. So 12 rupees for the 6 years. So 12, 12, 12, then 12, then 12, and then 12. And then on maturity, face value, the investor will get face value once the instrument get mature. Okay. Then you can write the discounting factor, that is your YTM, that is 10%. That is 10%. So you can find the present value of the cash flow. Present value of the cash flow, that is nothing but this is 12 divided by 1 plus 10% for the year 1. That is 12 divided by 1.1. Then you have 12 divided by 1 plus 10% for the year 2. That would be 12 divided by 1.21. Then it would be 12 divided by 1 plus 10% for the year 3. That is 12 divided by 1.1 to the power 3. That is 12 divided by 1.33. 1.1 to the power 3. That is 1.1 to the power 3. 1.331. That is 1.331. Then this is 12 divided by 1 plus 10% to the power year 4. It is 12 divided by 1.1 to the power 4. That is 1.1 to the power 4. 1.4641. That is 12 divided by 1.4641. Then this is 112 divided by 1 plus 10% to the power year 5, that is 112 divided by 1.1 to the power 5, that is 112 divided by 1.61, 1.1 to the power 5, 1.6105, 1.6105. So you can find this value one by one. You can find this value. This is 12 divided by 1.1. Then this divide by 1.1. Then again this divide by 1.1. So that is 12 divided by 1.1. That is 10.909. This is 10.909. 10.90909. Then again this is divided by 1.1. That is 9.917335. 9.917335. Then it is divided by again by 1.1, and that is 9.015. 9.015, 9.015,778. Then again divide by 1.1. 8.1961, 8.19, 8.196161. Then 112 divided by 69.5431. 69.54319. Do the sum of this. Do the sum of all this cash flow. How much you'll get? 107.58, 107.5816. That is 107.5816. So you got the present value of cash flow. Anyone, any doubt? So once you get the present value of cash flow, now what you do, multiply the present value of cash flow with t into present value of cash flow, t into present value of the cash flow to find the duration. So 1 into 10.90909, that is 10.90909. Then 2 into, this is 2 into 9.917335. 2 into this into 3, this into 4, and this into 5. 90. So this is so this is 10.909. Then 2 into that is 19.834, 19.83471. Then this is 3 into 9.015778. Then you will get 27.04. 27.04733. Then this is 4 into 8.196161. So this is 32.784 then 5 into 69.54319, that is equal to 347.7159. Do the sum of this. 438.2917. 438.2917. Do the sum of this. 'Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Do this calculation. Now, what is the formula of macular duration? So what is macular duration? So the formula for macular duration, whenever you have to find macular duration, that is nothing but that is T into present value of the cash flow divide by the price of the bond, where this T starts from 1 to N. The N is the life of the instrument. So the macular duration would be 438.2917 divided by 107.5816. That is macular duration. So we get 4.074, 4.07, 4.07, 4041. That will you'll get in year. This is macular duration. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone any doubt? So once you get the macular duration, you can find modified duration. So the modified duration is equal to macular duration divide by 1 plus YTM. That is 4.074041 divided by 1 plus 10%. That is 4.074041 divided by 1.1. 3.703 3.703673. 3.703673. This is modified duration. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? So this was 8 marks question for you, which came in exam. Anyone want to ask anything? We'll do another numerical. Now see this question. Now you can see this question. Arun buys two bond A and bond B. So have with 6, 7, and 8% coupon, having maturity time period of 4 years. Okay, the face value is 1,000 rupees. Both the bond currently yield 6%. Calculate the duration of bond A and duration of bond B. So the duration of bond A, calculation of duration of bond A. First, I'll calculate the duration of bond A. So the coupon, you can see the coupon is given 7%. Percentage is given 7. Face value is given 1,000. Face value is 1,000. So coupon would be equal to the value of coupon, that will be equal to 70 rupees. Anyone doubt on this? Hmm. Time is 4 year. The maturity is 4 year. So life is 4 year. Life is 4 year. And then what else? What else? Well, YTM is given to you 6%. So YTM is 7%. Face means coupon is more than the face value. So automatically the price will be more than 1,000 rupees. Okay. Then once you're done with this, now what you will do? So you write the period. Total 4 periods are there. 1, 2, then 3, then 4. What are the future cash flow? What are your future cash flows? So your future cash flows are how much? 70 rupees. 70 rupees coupon for the 4 year. 70 rupees coupon for the 4 year. 70 rupees coupon for the 4 year. Then on the fourth year, you'll get the face value of 1,000. That is 1070. then YTM is 6%, YTM is 6%, then YTM is 6%. What you can do, you can find the present value of cash flow. You can find the present value of cash flow, that is 70 divided by 1 plus 6% to the power 1, then 70 divided by 1 plus 6% to the year 2, then 70 divided by 6% to the power year 3, and then 1070 divided by percent for the year 4. So then this is 70 divided by 1.06. This is 70 divided by 1.06 square. Then this is 70 divided by 1.06 to the power 3. And then 1070 divided by 1.06 to the power 4. This is 20 divided by 1 plus 6%. So 70 divided by 1 plus 6% to the power 1 is 66.0377. 66.0377. This is 62.2998. 62.2998. And then this is 58.7733. 58.7733. And then this is 847. 847.54. Find the present value of your future cash flow. So this is the price of the bond. So you'll get the price of the bond. What is the price of the bond? Do the sum of all of them. 1034.65. Once you get the price of the bond, now what you do, okay, once you get the price of the bond, what you'll do, once you get the price of the bond, what you'll do, find the T into present value of cash flow. Find the T into present value of the cash flow. Then 66.0377 into 1. Then 62.2998 into 2. Then 58.7733 into 3. Then 847.54 into 4. You can do this calculation and then find the sum of that. This is 66.0377. Then this is 124.6. Then this is 176.32. and this is 3390.16. That is 3757.12. This is 3757.12. So you'll get the present value of the cash flow. So sum of T into sum of present value of cash flow. If you divide by the price, you will get the duration of the bond. So the macular duration of the bond, that will be nothing but T into present value of cash flow divided by the price of the bond. That is 3757.12 divided by 1034.65. Three point 63129, 3.63129, 3.63129. This is the macular duration of the bond. Okay, anyone, any doubt? So like the way I did for the bond A, we can do the same thing for the bond B. We can do the same thing for the bond B, like the way we did for the bond A. So they just want us to calculate the bond. So for the duration for bond A and bond B, everything remained the same. For the first bond, the coupon was 7%. For the second bond, the coupon is 8%. Rest everything remains the same. Everything remains the same. So the calculation of duration of bond B. So you can write down the year 1, 2, 3, 4. Future cash flow. So earlier the coupon percent was 7%. Now the coupon percent is 8%. 8% of 1,000. That would be 80, 80, 80, and then 1080. YTM, that would be 6%. YTM would be 6%. Okay, so the present value of cash flow, that is 80 divided by 1 plus 6% to the power 1, and 80 divided by 1 plus 6% to the power 2, then 80 divided by 1 plus 6% to the power 3, and then 1080 divided by 1 plus 6% to the power 4. So this is 80 divided by 1.06. This is 80 divided by 1.06 square. This is 80 divided by 1.06 cube. And this is 1080 divided by 1.06 to the power 4. This is 80 divided by 1.06 So you'll get how much? 75 point. This is 75.4717. This you'll get how much? What is 1.06 square? So this is 80 divided by 1.19102. 1.19102. 1.06 square. 36 11236 you should get. Okay, that's what I'm. So this should be 1.1236. Then 80 divided by 1.19102. Then 1080 divided by 1.26248. You get 71.1997. Then 67.1695. Then 855.461. If you do the sum of them, you'll get the price. The price is 1069.3. 1069.3. So you'll get the price. Once you get the price, you got the present value of cash flow. Now calculate T into present value of cash flow. Now calculate T into present value of cash flow. So 75.4717 into 1, you'll get 75.4717. Then 71.1997 into 2, you'll get 142.399. Then 67.191695 into 3, 201.509. Then 855.461 into 4, 3421.84. If you do the sum of them, you'll get you'll get 3481. You'll get 3841.22. 3841.22. So if you find the macular duration, so the macular duration of that would be 384122 by 1069.3. So this will give you the value called 3.5922. 3.59227. Very easy. If you want modified duration, then the modified duration of these would be 3.59227. This would be divided by What is the YTM? That is 6%. They divide by 1.06. So this divide by 1.06. 3.38894. All are in year. Similarly, if you want the modified duration for this would be 3.63 3.63129 divided by 1.06. How much you got there? 3.63129 divided by 1.06. This is 3.42574. So this will give you the answer. Fine. So around you can see this. We did the numerical for the duration. So duration, which is something considered to be very difficult portion, is actually very easy. You can do it by step very easily without any problem. Anyone, any question, any doubt? Anyone, any question, any doubt?